A big welcome to everyone and welcome to Beechworth here in central Victoria. We're around 300 kilometres from Melbourne, three and a half hours. Here's the famous Beechworth Jail. Beechworth was founded in the 1850s in the gold rush, and it's probably Victoria's most preserved town from that era. So there's a famous jail. We're just at the start of the town. Beautiful memorial park. You can hear cockatoos and gang cockatoos there in the park. Let's have a look at the historic buildings and let's take a walk. So thanks for joining our walk of Beechworth today. We're going to focus on the historic buildings and a bit of history around this town. Here in autumn, a beautiful time of year. And we've got all these original stone buildings. So here we have the Gold Warden's office. Original from back in the day in the 1850s. Let's look at the next one here. So we've come from the jail now to the Chinese Protectorate office. We can see more historic buildings out the back here. Amazing stonework, tin roofs. This is the township component here. Back in the day, jail, telegraph station, courthouse. Wow, look at that. So well preserved. Let's see some more. Erected in 1858, wow. Would have dispatched 14,000 ounces of gold, and with 1 ounce at 10,000 US dollars, wow. Imagine the value of that gold. So here we have the Sub-Treasury and Gold Office. Look at those miners back in the day. That's from 1911. You can see the buildings as we look along. So here it looks like we have the courthouse, and we had the historic Ned Kelly trials then. How amazing is that? So Ned Kelly tried in the courthouse here at Beechworth. And we can see the courthouse information. So all of these historic buildings back from the 1850s. Telegraph station. Beechworth's first telegraph station in here. The busiest telegraph offices in the world. Wow. Wow. I have to tell you, it smells like it's from the 1850s. That carpet is so old. So there's the telegraph station. And what a beautiful set of buildings here. All original back up to the jail. Plenty of places here so you can stay. Lots of accommodation. So here we have the Gorge. We have the lake. Amazing waterfalls. Plenty of trails to walk on. Also the gourmet food trail. Plenty of festivals here as well. And here we have the centre of town. You can see gold panning country. Wow, Yakandanda, Chiltern, Wodonga, Stanley, Myrtleford, Wangaratta. Wow. So have a look here. We've got the Cold Office. We've got the historic Main Street. Have a look at those verandas, all original. What a beautiful old town. One of the most preserved towns, if not the most, in Victoria. You can see where we are here in front of the clock tower. Got the famous Beechworth Bakery. The lake is in the background down there, plenty of old shops. Amazing old town. And this is where all the jewels are, Beechworth Gold. Have a look at this building. Incredible. Look at the famous Beechworth Bakery. Wow. Have a look at that. And we can see right through. All the gold is back there. You can see the pictures from back in the day. Beechworth Gold. Get your jewellery there. There's the historic Main Street. There we go. Plenty of places to hang out. Plenty of old pubs here. You can see the historic centre. And what do we have here? The B School. How amazing. Look at these buildings. Look at the history. If those stone walls could talk. Wow. Beautiful trees changing colour in autumn. So there's a taste of the Beechworth Main Street. Historic buildings. Places to stay. See the old precinct here. So much history. Similar to the old convict buildings in Tasmania. But have a look at this. Beechworth Town Hall. Look at the history. I'll just show you one of my favourite trees here. Just to close out our short tour of Beechworth. But have a look at this. It's got a Bunya Pine. It's got like feet growing out of the base. The old elephant's trunk. One of my favourite trees here. Planted in the 1870s. But have a look at this. Just an incredible tree. Wow. Have a look at that tree trunk base. It's like it's got elephant's toes. Yeah, such a beautiful park here. Plenty of bird life. It's planted in the 1870s. Amazing Norfolk pines. And you can see some of the historic old houses here. Let's have a look. Original houses. Back in the day, in the 1800s. Plenty of weatherboards as well. And beautiful old churches. So much to see and do in this town. Hello, and the magpies are different here. Look, different backs on these guys compared to Melbourne suburban magpies. They've got the black back. How cute is that? So we'll just have a look out the back. There's behind the main street, there's history wherever you look. All these old buildings. We'll just sneak through, call it a morning. Thank you for watching, everyone. Great to take you on a walk through historic Beechworth. I said plenty to see and do here. Look at these old World War relics. Awesome. Thanks for coming on a walk with us. Really appreciate it. I hope you like historic Beechworth. And if you're in Australia, do yourself a favour and come on by. You'll absolutely love it. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching. the Beechworth special, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone, and bye for now.